How's it going, everybody? Fuji here, and today I got another special video for you guys. However, before I get started on the video, I do want to let everybody know that I have recently went back and watched my recent videos these past few weeks and I guess month. And quite honestly, I actually fell asleep through some of them. I couldn't bear watching through the whole thing, and I'm sure you guys probably couldn't as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and change it up a little bit and just go with the flow. I feel like that's probably more enjoyable for me and probably for you guys as well. So let's just go ahead and do that instead. Now, being informative might be a good thing, but I honestly just don't really care. I want to do what I want to do, so let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so now that I got that out of the way, let's just get straight onto the video. Alright, quick overview of the car. I haven't taken the wrap off, as you can see. We're gonna do that today. Took the vents off, reattached them with vinyl just because I thought it looked cool. Nah, I'm just keeping it there so I don't lose them. And this is the new wrap. I actually just installed it last night, I believe. Just wanted to see how it looks. Doesn't look too bad. Now, one thing that's really annoying about this wrap in particular, or I guess maybe black in particular, is that it leaves a lot of fingerprints, which is really annoying. Looks like I'm gonna be constantly wiping the car or cleaning the car, and yeah, I'm not exactly sure how long this wrap's gonna last, but we'll see. Yeah, just look at that. Just look at that. I mean, come on, just look at that. Just look at that. Get black, they said. It'll be cool, they said. Yeah, you don't get that with white. Okay, time to take the wrap off. That's gonna be fun. I'm gonna start with the hood and then gradually come off and do the rest. And this is not a 45-minute job. This should probably take a long A double snake's time. Let's do this. Alright, the easy part is done. Took the vents off again. Now for the fun stuff. Alright, let's take the wrap off the hood and then the rest of the car. God, I had forgotten how ugly she looks under that. Alright, black is gone. It's looking much worse now. Fantastic. As you can see, the wrap is completely off the hood, and I'm not gonna lie, that took a long ass time. About an hour, a little bit over, and it was really tiresome. I burned my finger, freaking hurts, but whatever. Let's get to the rest of the car. Alright, I think next we should take off the wide body kit. That will allow me to take off the kit and to be able to remove the wrap from everything else. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so I took the fender off. Unfortunately, I forgot that I attached the bottom side splitter to the fender, so I'm gonna have to take the splitter off as well. And it's extremely dirty. Look at the wheel gap though. Okay, I'm gonna leave the fender the way it is. Nothing's gonna happen to it. Just gonna take the trims off next and then take the wrap. So that'll be fun. Let's keep going. I love how much easier it is to remove the E92 trims than the E90. The E90s are a bit of a hassle. Woo. I got it, baby! Alright, with the fender loose, trims off, all I need to do is take off this rear light right here, and I should be able to easily remove this side wrap piece here. This is one whole piece. Alright, I went ahead and removed the light here. It's just 3 screws. One here, and one here. And yes, I know it's dirty, but whatever. I didn't want to show the process because, well, my trunk is dirty and I didn't want to show you guys my trunk. And I'm a bit lazy right now to clean it. So let's just get on with the video, okay? So I went ahead and removed this fender here. It's all good to go. The wrap is off the side there. Okay, I'm not gonna bore you guys with the complete process of removal. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this, maybe even the front bumper, back bumper, and then we'll get to the fenders and we'll call it a day. All right, the wrap for the fender is off. Look at all the bullet holes on there. Safe to say I messed up a few times. I think it's a good time for me to this time fill up those holes with some Bondo. Anyways, let's move on to the rest of the car. Okay, time to take the splitters off so I can finally take the fender, well, I guess just that fender off. Alright, so I'm gonna be using a jack right there to pull that booty up so I can take the splitters off from the bottom. Alright, let's go. Alright, the car's up, jack stands are under the car. Just gotta go under here, unscrew the side splitter so I can take the fenders off and unwrap them. And also unwrap the side skirt here. So let's continue enjoying the fun. Alright, this side is loose, as you can see. However, I cannot take the front off because it's too low. So now I have to bring this back down and bring it up from the front so I can take the front off. Lots of fun. Here we go! Alright, as you can see, the car is jacked up. And now I just gotta take the front splitter off, or yeah, actually I can take this front splitter off as well. Now that it's jacked up, so I'll take the front splitter off as well, and I gotta take the remaining bolts or screws off the side splitter, and then we can finally get on with continuing to remove the wrap. Yes, it's finally off, baby. Alright, let's take a look at this bad boy. Damn, she's dirty. Alright, yeah, she is dirty. And as you can see, I didn't really care to wrap the bottom, as you don't even see it. Pretty much, you can see the line right here, that's all that's viewable on the outside. All of this is to pretty much hold the splitter in place, so it doesn't fall. This much. That's all you see. Alright, it's late, but I'm gonna keep going anyways. Let's take the front splitter off. And yeah, that's it. I don't even know what else to say. Let's just take it off. I do want to show what I've done under the car, however. As you can see, I've pretty much made the splitter go all the way to the back just for support. And the bottom has been epoxied as well for it to be waterproof, and everything's been bolted down pretty much to the rim from, again, for vibration, and it just so it doesn't go up and down while driving at an increased speed. So let's take the bolts out, shall we? I'm having so much fun. son of a batch of cookies, man. That thing, let's just say there was a lot of cussing, a lot of foul language, a lot when the camera was off. The worst part is I have to put it back on later, but whatever, it is what it is. Okay, I'm just gonna leave that right there. I am tired, I'm gonna go to bed. It's super late and I'm gonna carry this on tomorrow. The rest of the wrap, all that junk. For this video, it's not even gonna matter. You're not even gonna know. It's just gonna keep going, rolling on to the next day. So I'll see you in a second. Yes, sir. Have a good night and good morning. And good morning. So hopefully today's the day that we finish removing the rest of the wrap. Okay, here's what we got left. We got front bumper, rear bumper, fenders, or I guess wide body kit, side skirt, and and the roof, and that's it. And then finally we can move on to other more productive stuff. So let's carry on today. Let's not waste any time. Let's do this. Okay, first I'm gonna start by taking that out of the way, removing this, take the wrap off, and then we'll go to the trunk. Okay, all the fenders are removed. They're right there. So I'm gonna remove those in a second. And so let's take off the wrap from the front bumper now. And I don't wanna bore you guys with the removal process, so I'm gonna go ahead and just time lapse this. Okay, don't try to be lazy and take the grill off without actually taking the bumper off. It's not a good idea. So let's take the bumper off. All right, so now I have to take these little clips off here to be able to take the grill off. And I guess I'll just take the bottom one off and the sides as well while I'm at it. Okay, pieces are off. Now I'm gonna reattach the bumper back to the car with just a couple screws because it's gonna be a lot easier to remove the vinyl when it's attached to the car. Okay, have the bumper back on. The light got a little too much lighty, I guess, too much sun, so it kind of ruined my lighting. Again, lots of light in that sentence, but that's okay. And I'm gonna use a third light in the sentence. Actually, that would be the fourth one. I'm using synthetic light 5. Anyways, let's go back to this and let's go back to the time lapse. Let's just do this. Oh my freaking God, that took forever. I'm not sure how long the time lapse was, but that was a long freaking time. All right, I don't want to film the whole time you guys just watching me remove the wrap. It's boring as hell, so I'm just gonna do one more and then I'm gonna take the rest off and then we'll conclude this little video masquerade, party, charade. I don't even know what I'm saying right now. Okay, so one more. You pick one, whichever one you want. You wanna do the roof? Let's do the roof. Hopefully, however, this one will go a lot quicker because it's metal, not polyurethane, not plastic, none of that. All right, let's start removing some wrap again. So excited. It's coming off easier, thank God. Metal, baby, metal. All right, for those hard to reach areas, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this guy. This is fun. Seriously though, the most annoying thing about vinyl wrap is the removal. It's a pain in the freaking butt. It is what it is though. All right, that's a lot better. Now I can actually take the middle part out. Let's do it. I swear there's nothing wrong with me. Okay, I'm getting tired. The wrap is not coming off because of the sunroof or moonroof, whatever it is. I'm gonna lower this, take the wrap off, and then call it a video. The rest I'm just gonna do behind the scenes. So as you can see, it was kind of tucked inside on the bottom here as well, so it wasn't actually letting it come off. So now we're able to take it off and hopefully finish this a lot quicker. Can you believe just this much? Wrap the whole roof? Just this, that's insane. I got the side skirt, the rear bumper, the whole wide body kit, all of that to unwrap. I'm gonna go ahead and do that really quick. It's gonna take me about a second relative to YouTube. So let's do that and then I'll be right back and just say some crap so I can close it off, you know, so we can finish the video. All right. See you in un momento, or in a second, or I'll see you in a second. All right, it's been a moment. It's been a long moment, but it's been a moment, and I'm finally done with unwrapping the whole car, fenders, all that junk. So I'm finally done. Let me just show it to you real quick so I can end this thing. All right, I did turn the car around so I can unwrap the other side as well. So that is done. And as you can see, I put the fenders back on just so that it's cleaner in the garage because I'm so freaking clean. And believe it or not, all the wrap for the whole car fit in this one little bag or big bag or trash bag, whatever. In the bag. It's insane that all this, just this, fits on a whole car. And one last thing I want to show from the car is the trunk. So as you can see, the trunk is full carbon fiber, which is kind of odd because the rest of the car is not that light. Anyways, I am thinking about keeping the carbon fiber look as the rest of the car will be all black. I'm not sure if I mentioned it before or not, but the car is going to be all black. Black on black on black. Except the trunk. The trunk's gonna be carbon fiber. Okay, that is all she wrote for this video. That is probably the longest video that I've made, and it's freaking annoying because I don't like making long videos. And good luck to anyone that's gonna be watching it. It's long. I don't have that high of an attention span. I don't know about you, but yeah, good luck. As always, thank you for watching the video, and I will see you guys next time. Thank God.